Hello, so this is deliverable 7. This is our last sprint before our final project, and so I'm going to do a quick run through of our Salesforce so far. Obviously this sprint was the certain artifacts and requirements were a lot less than the previous sprints, so it's going to be a lot quicker. But of course, here we have our dashboard. This was submitted in deliverable 6. The first thing that we wanted to do was create designations for if you were a minor or if you were deceased. So we had to go through and create a custom field. We had is deceased and is minor. So this is one of our fields and relationships that we created through the object manager. So this one is deceased. I'm only showing you this one, but we also have a is minor. So now we were able to kind of go through the data, filter through it. I know this was technically not necessary, but we did import the data and create this custom field so that we could filter through the data to make sure who was deceased and which ones were minors. So this is just one example. But then our last requirement for this sprint was to create a report, which is right here. This is our custom report for the donors that we created. It's a donor report designation. There are 425 records, which is from the successful imported data. Here we have created specific rows and columns to match the report. And as you can see right here, the designation is here. So we have this one, and we can also add one for minor. So that is kind of what we have done so far, and that is kind of what we're doing for this sprint. And so yeah, that is us. We are group Let's Get It, and that wraps up this sprint.